Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview, including the link to Coinomi, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Coinomi wallet. Is the Coinomi mobile wallet a safe choice? Let's dive in. Coinomi is a multi-currency cryptocurrency wallet designed for users who value security, ease of access, and a broad range of supported digital assets. It's a perfect fit for anyone seeking to store, manage, and exchange cryptocurrencies all within a single, secure, and convenient mobile application. Coinomi boasts support for an impressive array of over 1770 blockchain assets, encompassing major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum alongside a diverse selection of altcoins. This extensive support makes Coinomi one of the most versatile wallet options available on the market today. Available for both Android and iOS devices, Coinomi provides a smooth and user-friendly mobile experience with an intuitive interface designed for easy navigation. The wallet integrates exchange functionality directly through partnerships with Changelly and Shapeshift. This integrated exchange feature lets you swap assets directly within the app, eliminating the need to rely on external exchange platforms. Security is paramount with Coinomi. As a non-custodial wallet, you retain complete control of your private keys. These keys are stored locally on your device and are never transmitted to Coinomi's servers. The wallet employs robust encryption protocols to protect your data and funds. Moreover, Coinomi has an impeccable track record with zero hacks since its inception, demonstrating its unwavering dedication to user security. Additional security features like password protection and recovery phrases provide extra layers of defense, safeguarding your funds even in the event of device compromise. One of Coinomi's key strengths lies in its ability to cater to a wide range of users. Whether you're a newcomer just beginning your crypto journey or a seasoned investor managing a sophisticated portfolio, Coinomi's intuitive design and comprehensive asset support make it an excellent choice. The app also supports multiple languages and offers 24/7 customer support, enhancing the overall user experience. In summary, the Coinomi mobile wallet offers a secure, versatile, and user-friendly solution for storing and managing your cryptocurrencies. Its blend of robust security measures, broad multi-asset support, and integrated exchange capabilities makes it a dependable choice for crypto enthusiasts of all experience levels. If you're in the market for a wallet that prioritizes both security and convenience, Coinomi is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description below to learn more and download the app today.